So today we are working on this 2016 Ford Transit minibus. Being called out to this job by a local authority for a block DPF. So as you can see by the percentage, it's showing 251%, which is extremely high. So what we'll do now is we'll start the minibus up and see what pressures we got. So if you have a look at the DPF pressure beer, it's jumping around, probably settling now at low 20s, and that's at idle, so that should be under 10 on these. If we take it to 3000 RPM, this value shouldn't be any more than 60, so we'll see what we can get. So as you can see there, 3000 RPM, that's over 300 HPA. So that's one really block DPF. So we're going to do a bit of a clean on it. Luckily on these, nice and easy access. We'll just take this pipe off here. So this is your differential pressure sensor. Disconnect this pipe and we'll inject our fluid in through here. So as always, we're going to be using our GAT cleaning equipment for this. So we've got the GAT DPF cleaning gun, and we've got the GAT DPF cleaning fluid, both of which are available on our TikTok shop if you did want to purchase them. So we just plugged our gun into the pipe for the DPF pressure sensor. What we're going to do now is we're just going to spray some in, probably about half a bottle in now, leave it for 15 to 20 minutes to soak in, and then we'll start the bus up, leave it at idle and inject the rest in. So now that all the fluid has been put in, we're going to hold the engine revs at as close to 3000 RPM as we can, and then we're just observing the pressure then of the DPF, and as you can see, slowly it's dropped down a considerable amount already. So that just shows that the cleaning fluid is doing its stuff. So we'll monitor this now until this is down to an acceptable level, and then we'll go on a road test to make sure everything's fine, and then carry out all the resets.